Hi, sorry about the other video. It didn't record sound. Anyway, I can show you again how to draw this. Start with your arch in the middle of the page, going about halfway to the end of the page. And you're just going to dip all the way down and curve back, forming a U shape like this. Then you're going to bring the bottom edge of that back up and around, and down and around again, and it's going to look like this. And once you do that, bring that almost all the way straight up and connect it to the back. Don't connect it to the back, make an arch over it. It's going to look like that. Next, you're going to come right here on the page, and start again and do the same thing over. Repeat the step. Just going to bring it around all the way around, up from the top, you get it there, connect it to the arch. It's going to look like this. Then you're going to go back to the top of your page and bring these out about 1.5 inches each, these lines. Bottom line being only about 1/4 inch longer than the other. So it's going to look like this. Once you get that, put lines going about 130 degrees and a 130 degree angle away from that, and connect those two lines with a third line. It's going to end up looking like this. Next, you're going to erase this section of this line from here to here. From here to here. You're just going to erase that on that one line, and it'll look like this. Then make a triangle coming out of that. Top line going downward, bottom line coming straight out, and connect them at a point. It's going to look like that. Make a curved line on the inside here, and then top line down again, bottom line out, and there you have it. There's your Leaf Village headband symbol. You can fill it in with pen, or you can go over all the lines in pen and make it look a little bit better. Erase all the pencil lines, have better detail, whatever you want to do with it. And that's how you draw the leaf headband. Thank you very much for watching.